Hi, today I want to share with you this second-hand cloud server that becomes my lab server. Let me show. Let's start it. Here there is a Home Assistant and I can remotely start. It's because this part is running. This is iDRAC. And let's start. Okay, this is my phone and pretty much this is a view. This is a view that I do in order to control this server. Okay, this is Proxmox server. I show you later. And this is iDRAC server. This is iDRAC server. That is listening. And for example, it's a little bit noisy. This is go down. Let's see. Okay, let me show, because here we have two redundant power supplies. This means that I can, okay, all of that, you can see these orange colors, you can see that. This means that you can hot remove, hot plug, and hot shut. And let's see. And disconnect one power supply, nothing is happening. Okay, this is the server, then is starting. Okay, I can plug. This is incredible. This is 68 amps, and this is the connector. Okay, this is communications, and this is the connector. Okay, here we have, I can plug another time. Then obviously I can plug it. Okay, this is starting. There's another things, like for example 4 GB Ethernet. There are these two connected only. Here we have another Ethernet, is for iDRAC. Here we have one CPU, another CPU. This is a memory. This is a plastic, it's not memory. And it's in order to maintain the airflow correctly. This memory is for this CPU, this memory is for this CPU, and this memory can share between CPUs. Okay, here we have 40 fans. They are spinning. Okay, and here, for example, this is a manual control. That means they are loading. This is very loud. Okay. They spin very fast. You can see how they are changing here, the spinning. And it's in order to keep as cool as possible all the server. 40 fans I can plug, like the power supply. And let's see what's happening here. Okay, after that, this takes around 10 seconds. Okay, here is obviously then all of them are going to 0. This takes time. Okay, all of them, and obviously I can plug another time. The idea is, if any of that fails, you can change. You can, in fact, is the swap, the hot swap, and nothing happens. And this happens here with the fans. This happens with the power supply, because let me unplug the other. Let's see. And this is still working. Okay. And let me show another thing. Is here we have a disk. This is the front of the server. And here we have this write controller. This means that I have two write one of this. This is a virtual disk, and I have two virtual disks and two virtual disks, and obviously I can unplug it. Hot unplug it. Okay, this is pretty much out. I don't know if you can see, but I unplug it. Okay, when do that, this, if it's a write, sooner or later, these are disks. Okay, this is 4 terabytes. It's not right. This is an SSD, and It's not right, but I have this. This is a very good. This is a SAS hard disk. This is conventional hard disk, but very fast. They're good. And this is that's what happened. Then after I plug another time the disk. Okay, I'm doing that, and the system rebuilt and rebuild the mirror, and then you have two disks with the same information, and you can lose it. Okay, let me show more things. For example, iDrag is that. Let me see if I do that. We can get informations. For example, I don't know about network. Okay, probably I need to log another time. This is okay. I don't know. For example, yeah, there is a lot of information then you can show in this web page, but trust me, I prefer this one because it's easy. I can start, stop, I can change the velocity of the fans. This is manual. Okay, I showed you before. I can do it right now the same from the phone. This is home assistant, you know. And okay, let's see. Here we have, for example, currently now Proxmox. It's connected, and iDrag is online. Okay, full online and full online. For example, here we have a view 24 hours, the server terminals. This is when you start. This is a view with detail 1 hour, it's the same. And here we have the fans. I disconnected, you can see here. And the voltage, this is the power supply's voltage. And this is the current for this is I don't know if it's which one of them, but pretty much it's the power supply. And this is a fans. Okay, this is fans I grouped by CPU 1 and CPU 2, pretty much the same. And this is my view. Okay, but it's be able to do that. Let me show something that is if we remote connect it, the host. I prefer desktop view. I prefer it. And let's see. Okay, this one, not this one. And the CPUs are 10 cores. At the end, we have 40 CPUs, 64 gigabytes of memory, and let's see. This is Proxmox. What is Proxmox? Proxmox is an open source project. It's incredible. This is awesome. I touched before servers like that, but I never touched Proxmox. And if you compare with, for example, VMware Professional, no, not the VMware Player or VirtualBox, they are toys if you compare with that. And let's start it. Okay, I'm going to start all of them. This one, not. Let's start it. This one, not. And let's see what happens. Okay, this is starting. In fact, I can close. I close it. And let's see, for example, this is a summary. The virtual machines are starting. Okay. And we can see. Okay. This is an Ubuntu. This is start very, very fast. Okay. Here we have this is an Ubuntu. Okay, this is a Windows 10. This takes more time. This is True NAS. This is another distro, Linux distro, incredible Linux distro. Then it's starting. For example, this is another Windows. Let's see if it's ready. Okay, looks like it's ready. I'm sorry. Good. This is login. Okay, here we have another Linux. This is Home Assistant. Okay, it's starting. This is another distro. This is a Linux distro. It's starting. This is another Ubuntu. Oh, I need to touch here. Okay, there's another Ubuntu. Then it's starting. This takes time. And here another Ubuntu. Okay, this is another Ubuntu. Then it's started. We can. Okay, let's see. This is a surprise for me. This is a Monterey MacOS. I remember I spent a lot of time on Hackintosh, and it was easy. Let's see. This is starting. Here, one Mac, and here we have another. Okay, this is starting too. And okay, this is the last one. Then is another home assistant. All of that are started. Take time. And let's see, because we can see the summary now. Okay, this is, let's see the evolution. For example, we can see the same for single virtual machine. For example, this Ubuntu has 4 gigabytes and is wasting that. This is, for example, the Windows 10. Okay, this is another Windows 10. This is with a conventional disk. It's taking more time to start, but pretty much. Let me start. I have it. Okay, it started. I don't know. All of them. This is pretty much incredible because this is okay. Let me show if this refresh. Oof, what's happening here? And then let's. I don't know. Wait, this is not a starter. Okay. And if you see here, we have a Mac starting. This is an incredible Mac starter. This is Monterey. It's not the last one. The last one is Ventura. But I don't have success with Ventura. And let me say something. I love it that. I love it that. Okay, this is working. Now this is the active monitor. Now this is the CPUs. Let's see. This is working perfectly like a charm. Okay, and let's see if I can see something interesting there. Okay, this is okay. What is that? Okay, this is another Mac. And it's working. This is incredible. Okay, I try to upgrade, but this doesn't work. Ventura is not working. I don't know why, but it's not working. Let me see if this. I don't know. Okay, this is starting. Let's start. Okay, I don't want. Okay, it's started. And if you see, all of them are working. Okay, because this is Home Assistant is started. All of them are working. And let's see what's happened, because this is the temperature is going up. Okay, the idea here is, these fans, if you open a lot of virtual machines like that, they will be spinning faster. Okay, pretty much is that. Pretty much all I want to show you is that. I can say about Proxmox that works like a charm. This server works like a charm. I haven't any problem. Never fails. And if you put here 2 sides, this can't fail. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.